Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet between stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos of both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Instead of working into the tops of stitches like we normally would, we're going to work in between them like the name states. So we're going to work a regular half double crochet in between the first and the second stitch. So into this space right here. Same thing with the next one, work a half double crochet in between the next stitches. And work a half double crochet in between the next stitches. So you can see how those are looking. And you're going to repeat this step until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you can see that there's the last stitch and then there's some chains from our last row. You will be working a half double crochet in between those to complete your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the half double crochet between stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.